Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Lorenta and you are watching Queen Lorenta's YouTube channel. So guys, this is your first time of coming across my video. Please do me well to subscribe to that YouTube channel. Click on that red subscribe button and your notification bell. And if you are my old-time subscriber, thank you very much. I really appreciate you for always watching my video, always sharing my video out, and always giving me that beautiful thumbs up. So guys, today we're going to be doing ice cream, strawberry ice cream, which is an 8-berry. We are going to be using an 8-berry today for ice cream. All you need is a blender, some water, warm water. Me, I'm going to be using water. I'm not using milk. We need a bowl and some sugar. So we'll start off by putting our ice cream. Guys, this fruit is optional. You can actually use any fruit of your choice. So me, I'm using this strawberry. I'm going to be adding some sugar into it. So now I've added my sugar. I'm going to be adding my water. A drop of water, I add the water bit by bit. So now you cover it up. So we'll be blending it now. So guys, as you can see, this is what we arrived out. This is it. I'm going to be letting this stay in the freezer for 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, and then I'll see you guys. So guys, we're going to be putting it into the freezer for 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. Just let it be there for as long as it can stay. Okay guys, so welcome back guys. It has been about 2 hours already. So the ice cream now it's already frozen. Just go ahead and open it and show you how it looks. Wow, this is how it looks while it's frozen. This is how it looks. So you need this. You can get this in Lidl or in Rive. Okay, this is what you need for it. On the inside, this is how it looks. When you bring it out from the paper, this is how it looks. So I'll go ahead and I'll scoop it inside and I'll show you how it looks. So guys, this is how it looks. This is the end of the video. Guys, please, if this video was helpful for you and it was interesting, don't fail to click on the subscribe button and the bell down below so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And don't fail to share this video, like it, and share to your friends. God bless you as you do so. See you guys in my next video. Bye.